is my Delkevic Shorty can that I just put on. It was like $200. Comes with that 2-in-1 collector and then this little Shorty. There's a baffle in there right in the middle, you can see. And if you want to take it off, it's just that little hex nut bolt there. It's loud with it out, but it's also pretty loud with it in. It's loud enough with it out where it was annoying to me while I was riding it. So that's with it in. Sounds pretty good. That's not even getting above 5. Yeah, it's plenty loud.